Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. Let's see where are we going after hitting the 34,800 or 35,800. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to join our monthly subscription, guys, I have the link in the description down below. You get easy profits even on a bearish market. You can cancel it anytime you want, and of course I can guarantee you that you will get your money back multiplied, right? So that's the point. And of course, if you want to join our Telegram group chat, I have the link also in the description down below. So let's see here, guys, on the 4-hour frame. As you already know today, I have my price prediction for Bitcoin 34,800 and 35,800. So we can go there potentially. But of course, you should be careful because many people are doing this mistake. We think that we are on a bullish market. No, we are on a bearish market, but on a bullish cycle. So therefore, you can't be greedy on a bearish market. Mark my words there, guys. Follow this advice. Don't be greedy. Always lock in your profits. But okay, after this, I will go now to the 4-hour frame. It is likely to happen. It is likely to go to 34,800 and 35,800 for Bitcoin. Where is the RSI right now? The RSI is in the middle of between 30 and 70, the default settings for the RSI. And now what we want to do is to go into an overbought situation. This will mean that altcoins and Bitcoin will have a swing high of relief, guys, because we will get a swing high, but eventually it is very hard to reapproach now higher levels to go into the 41,000 Tether USDT. But for now, guys, we are fine. We are having those price targets mentioned before. So for the commodity channel index, we are not in an overbought situation yet, so we have more room to grow and we want to go into an overbought situation. We want Bitcoin to move above 100, right? So it will be very good because that means we will break some important resistance levels. If I go to the daily frame, guys, you will realize something. First of all, something that no one tells you, something that a few people, guys, have noticed is this thing right here. We are getting lower highs in the RSI in the daily frame. That is very normal, but we haven't noticed another very important thing for the RSI, that we hold this support line in the daily frame. Why is this so important? If we had to lose these guys, then probably we wouldn't be going to 34,800, 35,800 or even more. Now we haven't lost our chance of going even higher than this high right here. Therefore, guys, there is still slightly a chance that we can retest again higher resistance levels for the Bitcoin, right? So therefore, it was very crucial to keep our higher low pattern here on the daily RSI. Eventually now, what we are looking for is to go even higher than this high right here. Can we do it? Yes, but the chances are small because right now, as you can see, we were beyond the 31,000 Tether USDT and a little less than 30,000 Tether USDT, which was our previous support you can see here. And of course we went down to 28,700 Tether USD. So this means, guys, that of course we made a lower low. And I believe after the swing high that we will have around here, I hope that we can go even higher, guys. But after this swing high, I believe we are going down to 26,500 Tether USD. I was always talking about that, guys, for quite some weeks right now, and you know my position. I strongly believe we will be going there soon, right? Not so soon, not in the next day or two, but I believe in the midterm we are going there. For now, on the 4-hour frame, guys, we don't stand in an overbought situation. The good part is that we made the 20-day MA as our support level. We keep this as a support level, and I believe the 34,800 and the 35,000 might be very, very attainable, right? And we can go there. The point is, what are we going to do afterwards? Of course, guys, I am daily updating. Every day I have a video about an altcoin and I have the Bitcoin chart as well. So you can check it out. Now you can see that we are going all the way upwards. We formed a nice bullish candle. For the moment that we closed, guys, above the 34,000 Tether USD, with both of these candles we are going upwards. And of course, this candle right here, guys, reminds me another candle in the Bitcoin. I believe we can compare this candle right here, let's say, with this. Of course, it is very, very comparable, guys, that when we have this candle here, it is very likely afterwards to go upwards for the next few hours. So therefore, this candle here represents something bullish. It is like the next step for a bullish 4-hour frame candle. So these are my price targets for the short term, guys. For the midterm, I told you to be extremely careful for Bitcoin because in my opinion, we are going down to 26,500 and it is very likely to go there. Chances of going above are getting smaller now, are getting less and less, guys. You can see that 41,000 Tether USD now. It seems like a good possibility, but I would say below 15%. I would say that below 15%. But for now, these are price targets. I believe that we will go down to 26,500 in the meantime. And how do we know that and when this will happen? I believe it will happen around midterm, guys, in the next 30 days or so. And I believe that 26,500 might not be our bottom. I believe we will go there, but it is likely that we can go even further down. But this support level here will be our first test and we will have a swing high afterwards. We might be approaching this area right here and have a swing high, right? When we do that. Therefore, guys, that's the daily update. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. And sorry for the voice, my throat is killing me. Bye.